Hello.
And we're back, and I'm just gonna say now, sorry for the pitter patter of little pug feet in the background.
They got zoomies.
Yeah. Today we're gonna open, what is it? Harry Potter collector cards, but it includes like a little
Is it squishy?
toy in the bottom, an Ushi.
Did you say Ushi?
Ushi. Yep.
No.
And then I've got a DC one that we're gonna open and see what we get. And then we've got two of these
Zelda mystery thingies.
Zelda mystery bag clips. So we'll see what we get in there. And then we've got 2 packs of obsidian flames to open. So I guess let's start with the obsidian flames. We'll leave the other for... It can go. Okay, so we got Snubble. Cap's Kid.
Oh, it's a thing. What is that thing that eats?
Drillbur. Cubchoo. I always thought he was kind of gross.
Kappa, that's what that thing was.
Because he has a big frickin' hanging from his nose.
Snubble. Flaming...
Camerupt.
Yeah, flaming camel. Is that just a whale?
It's a Paladian Clodsire.
Oh, it's
the evolved form of Grand Bull.
a boing.
Spoink.
Shiny.
Toga Demaru.
Not sure what that one is.
And a Togekiss. And a basic energy fighting. My goodness, boys. I'm going to open our...
I think they're the point. They're both tired, so they're laying next to each other.
They're doing the lazy fighting. The lazy fighting. Okay, we got a Graveyard.
Tadpole.
Danimo. Phantom.
The Hunted Cup.
Vulpix.
Firefox.
Magnetzone. Crabominable. Molly.
Bunny. Oh, another bunny.
Bunnelby. Drillbur. Another
Flying Cloud.
Another Togekiss. And a
Basic Energy.
Leaf Energy. So, now we're going to crack open these Zelda things, and he wanted to open them.
That is neat.
Geez, could they make it any more secret?
It's tissue paper box. And it's... Oh, it's... Okay, that is cool.
And we got a set of bombs. Boom.
Bomb. Oh, wait, no, those are just bombs.
Yep. I think we got something different this time. Oh,
Link.
And we got a Link.
Sorry.
Oh, he's got his little shield and his sword. So let's see, what can you... So there's like there's 8 in the set.
Again, Dork.
Gandalf, Zelda
Heart.
container.
$1 rupee. The Triforce. And a shield.
So that was fun.
Ooh, pop quiz. What Triforce does Zelda have?
Let's see. Link has courage.
Yes.
Zelda has wisdom.
Yes, which I always thought was funny because she is a girl.
Zelda has wisdom. Gandalf has power.
I love that they gave Girl the wisdom one. Because most people think girls are dumb, and that I think that they're dumb.
Not most people. I can't. Oh. Okay.
That's pencil topper.
It looks like it.
Oh, it's Dr. Fate.
They're little pencil toppers is what they are. And they're kind of squishy. Now, who is Dr. Fate? I've never heard of him.
I just know his name.
Oh.
He's like a helmet or something that possesses people. People are probably going to get mad, but that's oversimplified.
Okay, and then here are the... Oh, these are cute.
That's adorable. Who is that?
It says Hal Jordan, the White Lantern.
Oh, he got a White Lantern ring? I'm guessing that's the Riddler.
Oh, the Riddler. Classic.
Penguin.
Penguin. And on the back it just says DC Ooshies. Ooh.
A reverse flash.
That's kind of cool.
That's the whole thing.
Clark Kent. It always amazed me how they never know who Superman is.
Fun fact, what's his name? One of the ones who played Superman, Dean Cain, actually sat next to one of the Superman posters in glasses, and no one recognized him.
The Flash.
Catwoman.
Huh? She's cute. Oh, Wonder Woman. Lex Luthor. Hologram. It's a hologram.
Na Batman.
Oh, Batman. Well, these are cute. These are cute little cards for kids. Like if you want to get your kids started on into cards. These are like you play rock, paper, scissors with them.
Oh.
See?
We got a bunch of rocks, or a bunch of paper, a few rocks, and only one scissor.
Well, we only got one pack because we wanted to see what they were.
Okay, what's the squishy? Who's the squishy?
I don't know. This one's not coming open like the other one. Oh! Okay, maybe I got the squishy part. Oh, now it'll just peel open. And we got Hermione.
Is she also a pencil topper?
Yeah, they're pencil toppers. That's what they are. I found these at Target if anybody's curious about them. I'll be getting more packs. These are cute. I like the art.
Are these also rock, paper, scissors?
I don't know. We'll see, won't we?
Of course, we got Harry.
Nope, Neville Longbottom.
Oh, it just...
Harry.
Who's checkered.
Luna. Oh, look, she's wearing her radish earrings.
Gryffindor.
No, that's Ravenclaw house. Slytherin house. Rubius Haggard. McGonagall. I like his little background though.
Oh, what was it? Motherfucker played Got Your Nose with a Kid and Lost.
Another Harry. And a Hermione. These ones don't have any.
Oh, they're just trading cards.
Yep, they're just collector's cards, but they're still cute. I like those. I like how they have like different backgrounds and stuff. But we got? So yeah, we'll probably be getting more of these because they are cute.
Yes.
And I forgot who we called this one.
Dr. Fate.
Dr. Fate. Okay.
Magical bullshit being. I don't exactly remember. We can look them up later.
Okay. And so that's what we got for today. This was fun. Yeah, we'll definitely be getting a couple more. See if we can get the whole collection of the Zelda keychains.
Bye.